Only 6 months are left for CAT 2026. It sounds like a lot of time, but many of serious aspirants have already started preparing for it. Every year, around 2.5 lakh people appear for CAT and only 5,000 score 99 percentile. If you are serious about cracking CAT, here are 10 things you should start doing right now. Number 1. Take a diagnostic test because you can't improve what you haven't measured. Knowing your mock score can tell you where you stand actually. If you are seeking clarity on colleges, profiles, admissions, or MBA options, then you can simply send us a DM on WhatsApp. Link is in description. For more such videos, like, share, and subscribe to Edu Verticals.